Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important. I'm not saying because I say this in every video, but this is really going to be very important. And I want you all to watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and everything that we are going to explain in our today's video. So this is the part 1 of video series. The second part will be coming soon. So make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because that is very important. Okay, so before moving forward, I want to ask you number one thing, that is, why are we working in this job? Okay, why are we doing this business, right? Definitely we want to help the society, we want to follow our passion, right? But at the end we want to earn money, right? We want to earn a lot of money. And in this video I'm going to highlight that point, and I'm going to tell you some mistakes that you should avoid after getting your first salary. So it need not to be your first salary, it can be the salary after you switch, it can be a salary like after 2 years 3 years into your job. Okay, so these are some of the important things that I want to highlight and I want to share with all the AirTech audience. So make sure that you hit the like button. Okay, let us move forward. Now if you talk about getting a salary, right, what do you do after getting a salary? You pay your EMI bills, okay, for the things that you have bought already, right? It can be your car, it can be your mobile. Recently iPhone 15 was released, right? So a lot of people will be going to buy it. Okay, they will be thinking about buying the iPhone 15, right? So a lot of people are doing different things, right? They will be planning for their international vacation, they will be planning to going to different like cuisines, they will be trying some cuisines. Okay, they will be buying some expensive watches, outfits, okay, cars, a lot of other things, right? So I want to tell you guys that there are some things that you should be doing that are mandatory. I think that should be made mandatory. A lot of people don't talk about it, but I think that are very important. Okay. Now let us discuss all those things. Okay. The first thing is having an emergency fund. Okay. By that, what do I mean? Okay. So you can have a RD, that is recurring deposit. You can plan for a recurring deposit. Okay. You can like pay a certain amount to the bank every month. Okay. And that will be added to your that fund. Okay, so what happens, you can go and read it on Google as well, what is RD, what is FD. Okay, so now you will tell me that this is very mainstream and we don't want to go for FD or RD, we want to go invest in mutual funds or equity as well. So that we will also talk about, but definitely having an emergency fund is very important, guys. Okay, it should be at least 5 times that of your monthly salary. Okay, so if your salary is like 50,000, right, so you should have 5 as a 25, like something around 2.5 lakh rupees as an emergency fund. And you cannot directly like collect that fund, right? You will have to invest somewhere, you'll have to collect it, and then you will be able to generate that fund, right? So for that purpose I have also added the HDFC Bank RD interest rates. Okay, so you can plan it for like 15 months. Okay, they are paying hefty interest. Okay, it is a very good interest amount that they are paying. 7.10 is a good amount, okay, for RD. You can plan for 15 months or 24 months as per your convenience, and you can invest a certain amount like 15%, 20% of your monthly salary. Okay, if you have some other account, you can look at ICICI or you can look at SBI RD interest rates as well. Okay, so that is the reason we are not telling you to put all the money in the fixed deposit, but definitely you should have a saving. Okay, you should have a emergency fund. As a being a fresher or even an experienced employee, you should always have a 5 times monthly salary fund allocated for emergency situations. Okay, guys, I hope that this point is clear. Let us move towards the second point. Now comes the health insurance and the term life insurance. A lot of people don't talk about it. Even if I discuss this with my friends, okay, they simply neglect it. They say that abhi to bahut time hai, meaning that there is a lot of time for us to buy the health insurance or the term life insurance. But let me tell you guys that if you are going to buy a term life insurance right now, okay, the amount that you have to pay right now is very less. If you do it after like 30, right, after your age is 30, then again the term life insurance, the benefit or the things that you get right now are very low. Okay, meaning I will explain. If at all you want to buy a term life insurance, okay, or health insurance after your 30s, right, so you have to pay something around like for 1 crore 1 cr term life insurance, you have to pay 1000 rupees as your EMI, or I would say premium per month, right? So it will be together what, 12,000, 15,000 rupees. Okay, if you consider the add-ons, it will be more than that after the 30s. But if you go for it right now, it will be very less. It will be starting from like 500 or 600 or 700. So you'll be saving a lot of amount. And once the amount is settled, right, once the amount is set, then it will be the same for a lot of period of time. That is the reason we suggest that you go and you can directly buy a term life insurance. That is very important. Also, one important thing is that if you look at the health and the work culture of the IT employees right now, you will find that they are not going to gyms, okay, a lot of people, out of 100%, you'll only find 10% of the people who are taking good care of their health, okay. A lot of people are having some of the other issues, right? Sugar, BP, then you have cardiac arrest, okay. You will find that a lot of employees in IT are facing some of the other issue with their body, okay. So that is the reason IT people have to do a lot of exercise, okay, do a lot of fitness activities as well, take good care of your mental health as well. So that is very again important, guys. And we will have a look at how you can buy these health insurance policies as well as your term life insurance policies in the next part. So let us move forward. Now you might be thinking why I should go and buy a term life insurance or a health insurance from policybazaar.com. So let me tell you the reasons why. Okay, the first reason is that Policybazaar is India's leading digital insurance marketplace. They have a 30-minute claim support service. 30-minute, guys. Okay, and you can also claim for tax benefits up to 75,000 under Section 80D. Okay, guys, this is again one interesting reason. Okay, now they have 1 crore life covers save starting at just 525 per month. Okay, and you can get an online discount of up to 10%, okay, on different policies. And they have more than 51 plus insurance providers, which include Tata AIA, HDFC Life, Max Life, ICICI Prudential, Bajaj Allianz, Kotak Life, and many more. And they have sold more than 26.4 million policies till now, guys. And they're having a customer and consumer base of 58.9 million registered. Okay, so I think these are the enough reasons why you should go and you can check out the policybazaar.com. Okay, I will give the link in the description box. You can go on the link, you can hit the link, okay, and you will be coming to this page wherein you just have to enter your gender, your name, your date of birth, your mobile number, and you have to click on view free quotes. After that, you have to enter your basic details such as your salary and do you smoke or do you consume tobacco or not. Okay, and then you will be coming to this page which is term life insurance. Okay, so here you can find there are multiple options. Basically, there are two types of policies that come under the term life insurance. The first one is the original term life insurance, and the second one are ULIPs. So in ULIPs, what happens is you pay extra premium to get return on premium if nothing happens to you. Okay. Whereas in the original term life, you don't get anything in return if nothing happens to you. Okay. But trust me, guys, ULIP is not good. The original term life insurance is always better. Okay. Now let us have a look at the filters that are mentioned over here in the policybazaar.com page. So here you will be finding life cover. Okay, you can increase the life cover as well to 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore as well. Okay, but definitely the premium will increase on that. Okay, let us have a look at for 50 lakhs only as of now. Okay, the coverage age. So most of the IT peoples will be watching this video, right? So this IT peoples will be retiring around 58 to 60 years. Okay, that is the reason I think 60 years is sufficient amount of time for getting the life cover. Okay, you can opt for monthly or yearly payments for the premium. Okay, usually you can go for yearly. Why? Because you will be getting extra 5% on the yearly premium pay. Okay, on monthly you will be not getting any extra savings. Okay, so on yearly you will be saving 5%. And there is one more option. So if you plan to pay right now, what will be happening? You will be paying 585, suppose, for this plan. Okay, for 50 lakhs life cover till the age of 60, you'll be paying it per month 585 rupees, right? But what happens is, if you don't want to pay till your 60 age, okay, that will be for 34 or 35 years, right? If you are 24, 25 something, okay, 20, 35 years, right? Consider 35 years. So what will happen? You can pay it right in 10 years or in 5 years. Then you will be able to pay it and you will be able to save up to 57%. But what is happening right now? You are paying it in 10 years, right? So the value of that 585 and that 10 years is higher. Okay, because if you consider inflation in the future, after 5 years or after 10 years or after 20 years, okay, this 585 will be negligible, right? It will be like 50 rupees, like a coffee or something, right? So that is the reason you should always go for regular plan. Okay, now the second thing is that if you want to have a look at the claim settled, okay, so they have the ICICI Prudential has settled 97.8% claims. HDFC Life has settled more than that, okay, 99.4% of claims. Okay, so here you can find that highest claim settled worth 2977.5 crore in financial year 22. Okay, so here you'll be getting again two add-ons. Okay, there are what are the add-ons? Okay, you'll be getting waiver of premium cover, then you are getting 100% payout in terminal illness. Okay, so again you can have a look at all these things. Okay, premiums back if coverage is 60 years plus, Okay, so this is also you can get a zero cost plan, and here you can see, you can have a look at the plan details as well. What are the add-on benefits that you will be getting? Okay, free benefits, and what are the optional that are you have to pay for the benefits. Okay, here are some FAQs as well. You can know your plan. You can have a look at your age. Current is 24. You have to pay 609 per month. Okay, you have to pay till the age of 60 years. Then what is the percentage claim settled? Okay, 24 hours claim settlement available for quick processing. So all these things are there. Okay, you can click on proceed and you can have a look at the policy and you can check it out, and they can you can pay, and then the relationship manager from like policybazaar.com will connect with you, and further on you can carry out the process. So this is a very easy process, guys. You have an option to compare different plans as well. So this is the thing that you can get easily done. Okay, you don't have to worry about the tedious task of having all the things. You have to look at a lot of things, add-ons, premium, rider, and all those things. You can simply come to policybazaar.com and you can purchase a policy. Okay, their representatives will guide you for everything. They will explain you everything in a best manner, and you will be getting discounts on the premiums as well. So I think this is the best option, whether you are looking for a term life insurance or you are looking for a health insurance. Policybazaar.com is the best solution for all of you guys. Okay, now let us move back to the next point that we are going to discuss. But before that, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that is very important. Okay, and I will give the links in the description. You can go and you can check out policybazaar.com as well. So the next point that I want to highlight is that investments, okay, into the markets, that is the mutual funds and the equity markets. So a lot of people don't do it. They simply say that it is satta, it is a scam. You should not go and invest in mutual funds or equity markets. So let me tell you guys that it is not a scam. It is not a satta. Okay, it is just that you have to continuously invest to grow your assets, to grow your funds that you are adding into that like equity or the mutual funds, right? So you can do a strategic plan, investment plan. Okay, that is SIP. There are various applications that you can utilize. You can utilize Grow. It is a very good platform. You can go and you can like you can start an SIP with different companies as well. Okay, different mutual fund houses as well. You can also go and check out the different YouTube videos that are given by Akshat Srivastava or Finance with Sharan. You will be able to understand it in a better manner, because we are not equity or financial advisors in that case. It is just, I'm just making this video out of goodwill, so that you can understand what are all things you should be doing after getting your salary. Okay, so invest in good mutual funds, invest in the equities. Okay, the Nifty 50 or the Sensex indexes, invest in them. Okay, they are really good. You will be getting good outcomes on them. Okay, good returns on them as well. Okay, so this is it for the first part of the video. Okay, guys, we will be coming soon with the second part as well. Okay, stay tuned. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.